Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Raising the Mary Rose. First 1 to 4 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, there is some doubt about what caused the Mary Rose to sink. Mary Rose के डूबने के कारण को लेकर कुछ doubts हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. Built in Portsmouth some 35 years earlier, she had had a long and successful fighting career, and was a favorite of King Henry VIII. Accounts of what happened to the ship vary. Vary का मतलब अलग-अलग है. So question statement is true. Next question is, the Mary Rose was the only ship to sink in the Battle of 19 July 1545. 19 July 1545 की लड़ाई में Mary Rose अकेला डूबने वाला ship था. Let's see in the paragraph. In the first paragraph, they're talking about only Mary Rose, but here it is not at all clear whether it was only ship that sank or other ships were also there, so this statement is not given. Next question is, most of one side of the Mary Rose lay undamaged under the sea. Mary Rose के एक साइड का ज़्यादातर हिस्सा समुद्र के अंदर डैमेज नहीं हुआ था. Let's see in the paragraph, because of the way the ship sank, nearly all of the starboard half survived intact. During the 17th and 18th centuries, the entire side became covered with a layer of hard grey clay, which minimized further erosion. Starboard का आधा हिस्सा बिना किसी नुकसान के बचा रहा, उसके ऊपर एक ग्रे क्ले की लेयर की वजह से उसे आगे कोई नुकसान नहीं हुआ. So question statement is true. Next question is, Alexander Mackie knew that the wreck would contain many valuable historical objects. Alexander Mackie को पता था कि जो डैमेज हुआ उसमें बहुत कीमती historical objects थे. Let's see in the paragraph. Mackie and his team now knew for certain that they had found the wreck, but were as yet unaware that it also housed a treasure trove of beautifully preserved artifacts. वो इसके बारे में अभी भी unaware है, so its answer is false. Next 5 to 8 questions are to match the statements with correct date. First statement is, a search for the Mary Rose was launched. Mary Rose की तलाश कब शुरू हुई? Let's see in the paragraph. In 1965, military historian and amateur diver Alexander Mackie, in conjunction with the British Sub-Aqua Club, initiated a project called Solent Ships. So its answer is 1965. Next question is, one person's exploration of the Mary Rose site stopped. एक पर्सन की Mary Rose exploration की साइट रुक गई. Let's see in the paragraph. Dean dived down and found the equipment caught on a timber protruding slightly from the seabed. Exploring further, he uncovered several other timbers and a bronze gun. Dean continued diving on the site intermittently until 1840. 1840 तक वो बिना रुके साइट पर काम करता रहा, मतलब 1840 के बाद रुका. So its answer is 1840. Next question is, it was agreed that the hull of the Mary Rose should be raised. इस बात पर agree किया गया कि शिप के हुल को, हल मतलब उसके खोल को बचाना चाहिए. Let's see in the paragraph. While the original aim was to raise the hull it at all feasible, the operation was not given the go-ahead until January 1982, when all the necessary information was available, so its answer is 1982. Next statement is, the site of the Mary Rose was found by chance. By chance, Mary Rose की साइट का पता कब लगा? Let's see in the paragraph. Then on the 16th of June 1836, some fishermen in the Solent found that their equipment was caught on an underwater obstruction which turned to be the Mary Rose. So its answer is 1836. Next 9 to 13 questions are to label the diagram. This diagram is about stages of raising the Mary Rose. First question is, something attached to hull by wires. किसी चीज को वायर से हल के साथ अटैच किया गया. Let's see in the paragraph. The hull was attached to a lifting frame. So its answer is lifting frame. Next question is, हल को मड में डूबने से बचाने के लिए कुछ यूज किया गया. Let's see in the paragraph. The problem of the hull being sucked back downwards into the mud was overcome by using 12 hydraulic jacks. So its answer is hydraulic jacks. Next question is, legs are placed into dash. Legs को किसी चीज में रखा गया. Let's see in the paragraph. This required precise positioning to locate the legs into the stabbing guides. So its answer is stabbing guides. Next question is, hull is lowered into something. हल को इस चीज पे उतारा गया. Let's see in the paragraph. The lifting cradle was designed to fit the hull. So its answer is lifting cradle. Next question is, something is used as extra protection for the hull. हल को एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन देने के लिए किसी चीज को यूज किया गया. Let's see in the paragraph. And was fitted with airbags to provide additional cushioning for the hull's delicate timber framework. So its answer is airbags. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.